Chelsea. I wanted to start this video with telling you that you did a wonderful job on your presentation, and thank you for sharing that with our class. I think that if you would choose to present this to your staff, you would be a wonderful person for the job. Your tone and speed in which you speak is very calming for teachers of all grade levels, K through 12. A lot of the time with education, we are frantic all the time, and there is always something that we need to be getting done. And I think the way you speak is more calming, not, this is important, you guys need to get this done right now. It's more calming. It tells us that the issue is important, but you're also not stressing the staff out. So very nice job with that. I also wanted to note that you did a great job recognizing that the things that your school and your future school will look a lot different than schools, as you said, in California, in bigger states, in different states that aren't so rural but more city-like. There is going to be a difference in how you handle the culture in your classroom, and what culture is in your classroom is going to be a lot different. Myself here, I don't have very many culturally diverse students, not even within our school. We have just a handful, but that would be a lot different than a school such as in California, where we've got a lot of immigration happening. So you did a very great job recognizing that. I really do like this video feedback because I am able to better express my thoughts to you. But you did do a wonderful job, and I wish you luck with the rest of this semester. Just a few more weeks to go.